Warm, wonderful, and the best welcome to all of you. I myself representing the civil services organization that's name is Roy IS named DV Roy. And we have a collaboration with Delhi NCR school named Narayana's Senior Secondary Public School. Just in the continuing series of theme and status and gist, we are now today on the class 10th SST political science section named Outcomes of Democracy. Very, very important chapter. Outcomes of democracy. As you know very well, name itself is clear. Outcomes. What is outcome? Outcome is result. What is the result of democracy? Automatically the mind will be coming with the creativity. What is the result? Answer simple. Democracy gives the result what the democracy has. It means democracy is the best form of government because it's the people's own government. Who has said, I have told you earlier, who has said? Abraham Lincoln said. Who was Abraham Lincoln? The first black president of the USA. And what did he say? He said, democracy is by the people, for the people, and of the people. And a part of this, other feature will be, in democracy, people have liberty, people have freedom of their expression. Next, the people have their own result. They want their own merits. They want their own justice. The justice can be delayed in democracy, but the justice in mostly cases fair. Democracy is the representing of the rights of people. You see, all the answer I have given you this question's answer. If question comes, very important question, how is democracy the better form of dictatorship? Simple. It is better form because it represents the people's identity. Because only in those people, one will become the minister and other will become the prime minister. Am I right? That is the creativity. That creativity you have to maintain in the examination. And this is your first stage. This is your first stage. My student must remember, this CBSE will mold you, is shaping you how to become a creative orator, how to become a creative writer, and that will age you, that will lead you to reach your Mount Everest. That is the dream of every person, that is to become an IS or IPS officer. It is now the civil services, UPSC civil services examination. Next question after this one. What are the outcomes of democracy? Next question. Why is democracy called accountable, responsive, and legitimate government? Must remember this question is very, very much important. Every year used to come up in any set. Just must remember, do this question. Answer I am just giving to you. Accountable because this government is responsible. Responsive because it gives the responses to the people's need. And legitimate because it's a legal government and nobody in the world can challenge it. Finished. Next question. Democracy is a government of social diversity. How? Democracy is a government where the people's pride gets to be maintained. Explain. Next, democracy is a testimony of people's complaint. justify very something twisted question. How much the people complain, it makes the democracy to mature. How? All these questions have the same answer what I've told to you. Just content is different. Just introduction is different. Just conclusion is different. Just maintain the creativity and just do whatever the things I have said to you. Means democracy is better because your representation is here. Non-democracy government are not better because there you are under the monarch. You are under the absolute ruler. Difference comes. This is your free consent. That is your occupied consent. You see, just if you want such kind of things, such kind of the detailed answers. These are the questions I have given you, which of this chapter, only these questions are important that will come in examination, and I hope you could do up here. And if you want detailed answer with creative way, just come on this platform and you see the difference which would change your mind with the miraculous result. Thank you very much.